Write an absolute value inequality for which the interval shown is the solution. The interval is from -8 to 2, and we have closed brackets, so we're going to want to include the endpoints somehow in the inequality. We want an absolute value inequality. Well, let's look at this and see how long this is. This is a 10-unit interval. That's 10 units. And what's the middle of the interval? Well, 5 units up from this side and 5 units down up from this side brings us to -3. That's the center. And 2 is 5 units away from -3, and -8 is 5 units away from -3. So really what this shows is all numbers that are less than or equal to 5 units from -3. So we can write that as all numbers x whose distance from -3, which would be x minus -3, that absolute value is less than or equal to 5. We can also write that, simplifying, as the absolute value of x plus 3 is less than or equal to 5.